make you feel, make you feel. Big boss like $1,000 bill or 100 mil.
Welcome back to my boos, my booettes, my hoochies. How y'all living? How y'all feeling? This video I'm gonna show y'all again, or I attempted to show y'all again how I do my press-on nails. Long story short, girl, honey, I am fed up. So I recorded a whole other video before I did this one. But girl, I was completely out of frame. And I was like, I cannot post this. So I just went on ahead and did another set. Just a random set. I wanted to go for like a marble look, but I didn't want to use foil yet because I'm still learning and playing around with it. So I'm going to try this method. Basically like mixing two gel polishes together and using a brush, like an acrylic brush, and like sliding it onto the nail. It'll make sense once you see it in the video. But yeah, right now I already sized my nails. These are like specific sizes to my nails, and they're for me, so that is why I'm not wearing gloves. When I do make sets for customers, I do wear gloves because one, Rona, and then two, it's just better, you know, not to get any like fingerprints or grease stains on somebody's set, you know. But I'm not gonna talk through this whole video. I'm just gonna like let y'all watch, and then the parts that I'm gonna come back on, I'm just gonna come back on to explain. Okay, so right here I'm just mixing a black and a white from the Beatles collection gel polish, and I'm going to use that to create this marble effect. I'm just going to like drag it down the nail like in a zigzaggy type motion, and then it like creates this marbly looking effect. And I just make sure to cover any holes that are in the nail. I don't do a whole bunch because if you clump a lot, it's gonna look clumpy when you dry it. So all I'm doing is literally just swooping it down, dragging it down very lightly, and I do that for all of them. so once I'm finished doing the marble design, I go on top of the gel polish with a matte top coat. This one is from Amelie. I got it off of Amazon, and this is the first matte coat I've ever tried. And honestly, I don't know how I really feel about it. I mean, it gets matte, but I haven't tried any other consistencies. This one, the only cons I'll say about this one is it has a very strong smell. It smells like it's hard to explain. It smells sweet, but then it smells strong, and then it just, it makes you, if you sniff too much of it, it makes you feel kind of sick. And I don't like how when, every time I've used it, it picks up color from whatever color I'm brushing it on. I don't know if that's the case with all of them, but I don't like that. Now I'm just, while I let the set dry inside the UV lamp for 60 seconds, I am just pulling out some gems and kind of trying to go ahead and like pre-design it before I put on the nails so I don't waste time. I'm all about efficiency, honey. So that's all I'm doing. And then I'm going to use Beetle's cluster gel to actually put the rhinestones on the nails. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and end it off here. Basically, I am just finishing up dazzling that finger, and here is the finished product. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow Bellatrix Nail and Company social medias, and let me know down in the comments what other nail ideas that you would like to see. Again, I'm so sorry for the angle. I'm getting better and better every time. Hopefully next time I do one of these, it'll turn out better. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. See y'all next time.
I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel.